In this video, how to create blink circle effect Camtasia. Go to the Annotations tab and then drag a circle onto your timeline. Adjust the circle size, color, and position as needed. Duplicate the shape, then change its properties. Next, select the below shape. Reduce the opacity to make it transparent. Increase the thickness to create a border. Now, add a custom animation. Change the opacity of the start keyframe to create a blinking effect. Create more animations to create multiple blinks. Adjust the duration of the animation or clip speed to control the speed of the blink. An example to use blinking on a map. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.